If you're as excited about autumn as we are, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're focusing on something that's sure to elevate your seasonal celebrations: cocktails. We're bringing you Autumn Drink Inspiration, 10 must-try alcoholic drinks for the season. So, whether you're planning a cozy night in or a festive gathering, these drinks are perfect for setting the autumnal mood. Let's get started. First up, we have the quintessential autumn drink, spiced apple cider. For this comforting classic, grab 1 liter of apple cider, a cinnamon stick, a couple of cloves, a star anise, and a sliced orange. Combine all these lovely ingredients in a pot and simmer on low heat for about 20–30 minutes. Strain and serve warm. Simple, yet so comforting. Next, let's add a sophisticated twist to our autumn evenings with a pumpkin spice martini. Gather 50 milliliters of vodka, 25 milliliters of pumpkin spice syrup, 25 milliliters of cream, and some ice cubes. Shake them all up in a cocktail shaker and strain into a martini glass. Garnish with a cinnamon stick. Cheers! Now, let's reimagine a classic with a maple bourbon old-fashioned. You'll want 50 milliliters of bourbon, a tablespoon of maple syrup, a dash of Angostura bitters, and some ice cubes. Mix them together in a glass, stir well, and garnish with an orange slice. A classic with an autumnal twist. Feeling a bit tart? Let's mix up a cranberry Moscow Mule. For this one, you'll need 50 milliliters of vodka, 100 milliliters of ginger beer, 25 milliliters of cranberry juice, and a lime wedge. Combine the vodka and cranberry juice in a glass, top it off with ginger beer, and garnish with a lime wedge. Refreshing and seasonal. Time for a fruity fiesta with an autumn sangria. Grab a bottle of red wine, a sliced apple and orange, 50 milliliters of brandy, and a couple of cinnamon sticks. Mix them all in a pitcher and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Serve chilled. Perfect for gatherings. Feeling chilly? Let's warm up with some mulled wine. For this warm hug in a mug, you'll need a bottle of red wine, a sliced orange and lemon, a couple of cloves, a cinnamon stick, 50 milliliters of brandy, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Simmer everything except the brandy on low heat for 20–30 minutes, then add the brandy and simmer for an additional 5 minutes. Strain and serve warm. Love coffee? Then you'll adore this hazelnut espresso martini. Get your hands on 50 milliliters of vodka, 25 milliliters of hazelnut liqueur, 25 milliliters of freshly brewed espresso, and some ice cubes. Shake them all up in a cocktail shaker, strain into a martini glass, and garnish with a coffee bean. A coffee lover's dream. Ready for a spicy kick? Let's make a cinnamon whiskey sour. For this spicy twist, you'll need 50 milliliters of whiskey, 25 milliliters of lemon juice, 15 milliliters of cinnamon syrup, and some ice cubes. Shake them well in a cocktail shaker, strain into a rocks glass over fresh ice, and garnish with a cinnamon stick. Let's mix sweetness and spice with a pear and ginger cocktail. Gather 50 milliliters of pear vodka, 25 milliliters of ginger liqueur, 25 milliliters of lemon juice, and some ice cubes. Shake them all up, strain into a chilled glass, and garnish with a pear slice. A unique and refreshing drink. Last but not least, let's add an exotic twist with a chai white Russian. For this exotic twist, you'll need 50 milliliters of vodka, 25 milliliters of Kahlua, 25 milliliters of chai-infused cream, and some ice cubes. Combine the vodka and Kahlua over ice in a rocks glass. Slowly pour the chai-infused cream over the back of a spoon so it floats on top. Stir gently before sipping. And there you have it, 10 must-try alcoholic drinks to make your autumn evenings absolutely unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, cheers!